Hello everyone, I am Sejal and I am excited to share my experience with AIV's incredible dashboard training session. This training has really helped me improve my data visualization skills and gave me the confidence to create impactful dashboards. Before this session, I wasn't sure how to structure or visualize data effectively, but with AIV's clear guidance and practical exercises, I was able to master the process and create dashboards that are both informative and visually engaging. In this video, I am going to walk you through my sales dashboard, which I created after completing the training. Let's take a look at how AIV allows you to bring data to life through visualization. Let's start it by logging into the AIV application. I will enter my username and password here. Once I enter my credentials, I click on the login button and I am taken to the dashboard where I can start working on my data visualizations.
Now I am on the first screen which prompts three steps. The first step is to connect a data source with AIV. The second is to create the dataset and the third is to create your dashboard. In first step, AIV supports multiple data sources such as CSV, Excel, Google Sheets and many more. In this case, I have used a CSV data source. All I need to do is click on the CSV option, select my file or drag and drop here and click on upload. Now in step 2, after the data source is connected, I need to create it and make it available for use in the dashboard creation process. In step 3, you can start creating your dashboard in AIV using the dataset you have prepared.
Now let's move to the dashboard section. You can search for the sales dashboard in the search bar. Once you find it, you will see a dashboard with all your widgets and visualization. This is where you can track and analyze your data at a glance. At the top right corner of the dashboard, there are icons for email, instant message, clear filter, edit. These options let you manage your dashboard settings and customize it based on your needs. Currently, the dashboard is in preview mode, but I can switch to edit mode by clicking the edit icon. This allows me to modify the layout and widgets as needed. On the left vertical menu, you will find different widgets such as charts, tables, maps, cards, image and text, and many more. These are the building blocks of your dashboard and you can use them to create a layout that fits your needs. Let's take a look at the data set behind the dashboard. To do so, go into the widget edit mode and click on the edit icon next to the data set. This will open the data set allowing you to review and adjust the data. Go to preview mode. For this dashboard, I am using a sales dataset which includes columns like country, country code, order date, product code, quantity ordered, price, each order number, product line, product name, extended price, year, month, and short key. Now let's dive into the widgets used to visualize the data. Cancel it. The first widget I added is the card widget, which shows key metrics like total sales and total orders. Next, I added a line graph to display the sales trend over the months. This helps highlight trends such as November has the highest sales. I also used a stacked column chart to show yearly sales by country. You can see that the USA had the highest yearly sales in this data set. To analyze sales performance by both country and product line, I used a 100% stacked column chart. This chart visualizes the sales distribution across different regions and product lines. Next, I added a pie chart to show total orders by product line. As we can see, classic cars had the highest number of orders. Finally, I used a radar chart to compare product performance across different countries. This gave us a clear view of how each product is performing globally. To make the dashboard interactive, I added two filters, year and product line. For example, if you select a different year from the drop down, the data will update automatically to display only the information for that selected year. Similarly, selecting a product line like vintage cars will filter the data to show performance for the product line only. So, in this way, you can create a dynamic, insightful sales dashboard using AIV with features like interactive filters, various chart types, and easy to use widgets. You can easily visualize and analyze your data. Thanks to AIV's training, I was able to create this powerful dashboard, and I hope this video has shown you how you can create your own dashboards too. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below or visit www.aivhub.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.